Hi, I'm Camila and you're watching my channel One Color Food. Today I'm gonna cook white lunch. I'm gonna use only two ingredients of white color, rice and cauliflower. So, first of all, I'm gonna cook rice. I highly recommend you to wash and soak rice at least 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. Add rice into 1 cup of hot boiling water. Add some salt and add some pepper. And cook rice for about 10 minutes on a medium heat, and the secret is do not open the lid. Just let it cook just the way it is. While rice is cooking, I'm going to prepare cauliflower. Just wash cauliflower and cut into small florets. I highly recommend you to cook cauliflower in microwave. According to the latest medical research, it's the healthiest way to cook cruciferous vegetables. So just take 2 tablespoons of water and put it in a microwave for about 3 minutes. If you don't like microwaving, you can cook cauliflower by steaming or boiling. Again, I recommend you to cook it not more than 3 minutes if you want to keep all vitamins and nutrients inside of cauliflower. So, rice is ready. Just put it on a plate. Cauliflower is ready too. And just pour a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of cauliflower and rice as well. Just add some salt only on top of cauliflower. Remember that we add salt and pepper while boiling rice. And add some pepper. I used white pepper. And squeeze just a little bit of lemon on top of cauliflower. So, white lunch is ready. Look at the color, amazing white. Let's try it. It's so tasty and healthy. I highly recommend you to try it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put your thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe. And remember, cook with love and enjoy your meal.